with Pat English. Learn English.
We are again back today with new picture reading. Yes, we are having this painting done on canvas by one of the student like you all. Her name is Aboli Jagdali. She's done this wonderful painting and today we are going to explain this. Yes, we can see few swans swimming in the water. The swans are swimming gracefully. Gracefully means ऐटीत. The swans are swimming in water gracefully. In Marathi we say ऐटीत. ऐटी मध्ये एकदम मस्त ऐटशीर एकदम पाण्यामध्ये पोहतायत ते. Okay? Yes. And we can see reflection of these swans in the water. या स्वान्स आपल्याला प्रतिबिंब रिफ्लेक्शन and in Marathi it is called pratibimb. Okay, we can see reflection of swans in the water. Yes, now you can also see reflection of tall trees on the bank of the river. Bank म्हणजे काय? आपण म्हणतो ना नदी किनारी. Okay, so किनारा, that is called bank in English. Bank. It's called bank of river. Okay, and what we can see over there? There are huge trees up, and these trees, their reflection also we can see in the water. Along with trees, we can see houses also over there. Yes, one with red roof and one with yellow roof. And both houses, we can see their reflection in the water. Wow, it's lovely, simply mesmerizing. Mesmerizing म्हणजे अगदी मंत्रमुग्ध होतोय आपण हे बघून. ओके, येस. आणि आपल्याला हे प्रतिबिंब का दिसतंय, हे रिफ्लेक्शन का दिसतंय? वी कॅन सी दिस रिफ्लेक्शन बिकॉज दिस वॉटर इज क्लिअर, इट्स क्लीन. सो वी कॅन सी दिस all these reflections in the water. Yes. Now we can also see mountains. Yes. And partially they are covered with snow. Partially म्हणजे थोडेसे. Okay. Partially they are covered with snow. Yes. Breathtaking scenic beauty with fresh green color, grass and small bushes around the houses. आपल्याला घराच्या आसपास काय दिसतंय? ग्रास दिसतोय, गवत दिसतंय. ग्रास म्हणजे गवत आणि बुशेस म्हणजे छोटे छोटे झाडांची झुडपं दिसतायत. कुठे दिसतायत? On the bank of river. Wow, we can see this lovely flowers also. Yes, these flowers, they are having vibrant color. These flowers are having vibrant colors. Yes. So in and all, this picture, this painting is simply beautiful. We also can see blue sky with white clouds over there.
Thank you very much.